leftover, maybe a survival feature gone wrong. 1. Not just the sun. It's not just sunlight. Any sudden exposure to bright light, like walking out of a dark movie theater or looking at a camera flash, can trigger this. So if you've ever sneezed while leaving a club at 3 a.m., don't worry, it's not just the questionable life choices. Nope, but it can be mildly inconvenient, especially if you're driving and suddenly get hit with a surprise sneeze attack. Imagine zooming down the freeway, the sun peeks through the clouds and bam! You're temporarily blind for 1.5 seconds. A very dangerous 1.5 seconds. Pro tip: if you're part of the sun sneeze gang, wear sunglasses to reduce the trigger, or, just don't look at the sun like you're in a dramatic movie scene. Final fun facts. Some scientists